Today we're taking a look at a U-lock from mr.diy under the GASS brand, and it says here, solid, reliable. It is an interesting package. For example, this, it's tied down there, and then it's stapled down to the bottom. And we're just gonna yank this out from the side here, and yeah, cut out for your keys here, but okay, nothing much packaging. This is the key itself, so twist ties to get rid of the keys. Here are the keys, and then you just slot it in here, and then that would like open this up, and then you can see it opens up like this. So that's a bit more than 90 degrees. You can put this back in. Oh, I found a flaw already. You see this? See how it's like showing more of the... It's because the sleeve is well, first things first, the black paint is lubricated, so don't touch it. And yeah, it makes the thing all so much slippery. So that's something you need to look out for. And it is a bit of a pain in the ass to close back, especially with the cover sliding everywhere. So I don't recommend this lock, because it is damn tedious to lock and unlock. I would recommend you slamming this thing shut in order to prevent this thing from keep sliding everywhere. Okay, and then it says here hydraulic shear lock. Okay, thank you for watching.